Hi, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Rania Fakadal from HRMB1. One of my positive traits is I am God-fearing. Actually, I'm a choir member since I was 13 years old, and I serve God with all of my heart. And another is I do respect my parents because I love them. And I don't want them to be hurt. And also, I am generous, especially when it comes to my family. And I easily understand the simple instruction. And lastly, I treasure my friends, and I treat them as well as I treat my own sister. And one of my negative traits is I easily get mad to the person who are very annoying. And sometimes I'm lying. I will improve my negative traits by not doing such bad things. So I don't need to lie. And I will control myself for being easily get mad if the reason is not too big. That's all.